Come on, now that I have the camera out back, you're going to be upset and angry? Who's the baby? Do you see a baby? That's a girl. Yeah? Your ears kind of stick out like Yoda right now. That's kind of what it looks like, huh? Yeah, you're doing so well. Look at you sitting up. Your little chair, huh? Yeah. What you playing with? Oh, it's okay. You're not going to fall. Mom's here. Okay, you don't want the world to know you drool. That's fine.